Most small apartments don't actually have a space problem. They have a stuff problem. Too many things sitting out with no real place to go. And once that visual clutter starts building up, your entire apartment begins to feel smaller than it actually is. But here's what most people miss. It's not about getting rid of everything. It's about where things live and whether or not you can see them. Because the apartments that feel expensive and spacious, they're not empty. They're just controlled. Everything has a place. And more importantly, most of it is out of sight. And today, I'm going to show you 7 Amazon finds that do exactly that. These are the kinds of pieces that quietly hide clutter, clean up your layout, and make your space feel bigger without you needing a single extra square foot. And number 4 is the one almost nobody is using yet. But once you see it, you'll understand why it changes everything. 1. Lift-top coffee table with hidden storage with charging. This is one of those pieces that instantly upgrades your living room without you really changing anything else. At first glance, it looks like a normal coffee table, nothing special, but then the top lifts. And now you've got hidden storage and a functional surface you can actually use, whether that's working, eating, or just clearing space. Because let's be honest, most coffee tables don't stay clean. They turn into dumping grounds. Remotes, chargers, random clutter that somehow just accumulates. Now imagine all of that gone, not thrown away, just hidden. And the newer versions take it a step further by adding built-in USB ports and outlets. So now you're charging your phone or your iPad without cords running across your entire living room. It's one piece doing multiple jobs, which is exactly what small spaces need. And wait until you see how this next one fixes one of the biggest visual problems almost every apartment has. 2. Slim console table with built-in charging behind the couch. Most people completely ignore the space behind their couch. It either sits empty or turns into this awkward area with tangled cords and no real purpose. A slim console table changes that instantly. Now, instead of wasted space, you have something intentional. Something that actually looks designed, and the best part is the newer versions come with built-in outlets and USB ports. So instead of plugging things into random walls all over your apartment, you've got one clean, centralized charging station. No extension cords running across the floor. No cables hanging off the side of your furniture. Everything stays tucked neatly behind the sofa, out of sight, but still completely accessible. But your living room isn't the only place that quietly collects clutter. 3. Nightstand with built-in USB charging. Take a look at your nightstand for a second. There's probably at least one cable hanging off the side, maybe 2. Maybe something barely holding onto the outlet, and even if everything else in your room is clean, that alone makes the space feel messy. A nightstand with built-in USB ports fixes that immediately. Now your phone plugs directly into the furniture. No extra cords, no awkward placement, no visual distraction. The space feels calmer, cleaner, more put together, and once your bedroom feels like that, it changes how the whole apartment feels. Now, the next one is where things start to feel less like organization and more like design. 4. Storage ottoman with hidden charging. So at first, it just looks like a soft, cozy ottoman, something you'd use for extra seating or to put your feet up. But inside, there's hidden storage. And in some versions, even hidden charging ports. So now this one piece is doing 3 jobs at once. It's seating, it's storage, and it's powering your devices. And because it's upholstered, it also softens the entire room visually. This adds warmth and balance without adding visual weight or clutter. It's functional, but it also makes the space feel better. But if you really want your apartment to feel bigger, you have to start looking at what's happening on your walls. 5. Wall-mounted, fold-down desk with cable management. Desks are one of the biggest space killers in small apartments. They take up floor space, they attract clutter, and they visually break up the room. A wall-mounted, fold-down desk fixes all of that. When you need it, it's a workspace. When you don't, it disappears completely, flat against the wall. And the better versions include hidden cable compartments, so even your wires are tucked away. That means when you're not working, your room goes right back to feeling open, clean, and uninterrupted. Calm, clean, and elevated. 6. Under bed rolling storage done the right way. Most people either don't use the space under their bead at all, or they use it in a way that just creates more chaos. Things get shoved underneath, forgotten, and hard to access. But low-profile rolling storage completely changes that. Now everything slides in and out easily. You can actually use the space without frustration. Nothing gets lost, nothing looks messy. And more importantly, your closet doesn't get overloaded, because once your closet is packed, everything starts spilling out into the rest of your apartment. And that's when the space starts to feel tight. This prevents that before it even starts. And the final one is what ties everything together the moment you walk in. 7. Slim shoe cabinet with hidden storage. Your entryway sets the tone for your entire apartment, and shoes are one of the fastest ways to make that space feel cluttered. A slim shoe cabinet fixes that instantly. It's narrow, minimal, and everything disappears inside. So instead of walking into visual chaos, you walk into something clean and intentional. And that feeling carries through the rest of your space. If you notice, none of these are about adding more stuff. They're about controlling what you see. Because small apartments don't feel small because of size. They feel small because of exposure. Too much visible clutter. Too many competing elements fighting for attention. But once you start hiding that, everything shifts. Your apartment doesn't just look bigger, it feels calmer, more expensive, more intentional. And that's really the goal. Hope these finds were helpful. I'll see you in the next one.